Good morning, guys. Can you hear me? Can you guys hear me? Oh, okay, great, great. Good morning. SBC unfortunately is gapping down today, but it's gonna be my main watch together with Tesla. ACMR is gonna be a secondary watch. Then I have some others. Oh, fuel cell is gapping down below the range. Too bad. I was really hoping this thing would go sideways today and then break down tomorrow without SSR on. That's too bad. Let's see, I did some portfolio cleaning yesterday. I'm down to only 19 positions. Tesla, I'm looking for some kind of ad spot today. I shorted this Tesla. I shorted 2,000 shares at 585. On this late day, little breakdown from the highs, and that was pretty much a perfect entry. And I'm looking to add another couple of thousand shares. This thing has really no support until like, I don't know, 520s. And after that, I think it could very easily pull back to high mid 400s or something over the next few weeks. If this is the top for now, if this is a short-term top. GSX I shorted late day, or actually I re-shorted. I did short it early in the day and then took a loss on it, and I re-shorted 15,000 shares late day, and this one too, there's really no support until like 30 bucks. Baba is gapping down for obvious reasons with all the China stuff going on. But this is gonna be a longer term hold. Like Baba, I'm willing to hold this thing for a long time. Like 6 months, another 6 months easily, unless it stops me out before that. Plug. It's still holding up pretty well considering what BLDP and fuel cell have done. Those things broke down, but Plug is kind of holding up. But that can change at any moment, obviously. Twix is gapping a little bit pre-market. I don't know. If the markets are going to pull back from here, Twix is probably gonna be my main play. I'm not gonna go crazy on it, but buy 10, 15,000 shares and see if we can squeeze 10, 15 bucks out of it. Potentially. We'll see. We'll see. We haven't had any volatility in a long time, so. GSX, my entry was, let's see, 35.50, 15,000 shares at 35.50. Not a great average. If you look at the 60-minute chart, it had a breakdown here at 35.40 or 35.50 or so. So 35.50 was a little bit of a chase, but I think it has a lot of downside, so I'm fine with it. And so far it's gapping down like 75 cents pre-market. So yeah, it's okay. that's pretty much my game plan. There's this Codex, this China coronavirus play. You know, they're pumping a lot of stuff on this coronavirus thingy. A lot of things they're pumping. I made a watch list for all the ones I found, like mRNA, BCRX, Codex gapping up a lot today, 150% in pre-market. Oh my god, INO, this is the one I owned! Oh! This is so annoying. Oh, I hate when this happens. I hate when this happens. Like, I had 30,000 shares that I got stopped out of yesterday, and now it's, you know, it was in the low fours. APT is gapping. This one also I had a bunch of shares 2 days ago. Lake I got stopped out. Looks like it's gapping up today. So annoying. It is what it is. Now NNVC and ICC, I think both of these had offerings. Or at least NNVC had, I know that. Yeah, I mean, I think APT is showing strength. This Lake is lagging badly. Like, Lake is way up, but APT is near its, you know, highs. So there could be something here. I'm gonna put it on my long watch list. And also INO gapping up. I don't know. So INO, they make this, you know, protective gear, like face masks and stuff like that. It ran big during Ebola outbreak. Tesla has a big range here at 561. It's a big level here. Tesla, I'm gonna look for some kind of opening range lows or something like that. We'll see how it trades out of the gate. Like, I mean, I think there's a pullback coming. I mean, you know, this thing is up 200. It was up 240%, 245% yesterday in 6 months. That's a big move for such a big stock. Why can't this thing pull back to the rising 10-day, at least? I don't know if it, I don't think it requires more attention than any other stock. If anything, it requires less attention since it's such a liquid stock. You know that even if you have like stops on it, there's going to be very little slippage. Like compared to some thin small cap name where there may be a lot of slippage and you constantly worry about it. So I don't agree with that one necessarily. But yes, Tesla is gonna require a lot of attention overall since it's my main watch. Yes, Tesla is the strongest stock. Yep, no doubt about that. Like Tesla is a stock that has the most fanatical bulls and it has the most fanatical bears. I'm just trying to trade it. I'm very sad I missed it on the long side. But it's my duty to trade it if I see a good setup. Yeah, Apple is strong too. Yeah, Apple and Microsoft are strong too. Yeah. Those are like, I mean, Microsoft 1.3 trillion market cap, Apple 1.4. I mean, it's just crazy. And they're, Apple is up over 100% in a year, 125% since they warned 3rd of January last year. Stock gap down after already being down like 30, almost 40% in like a few months, and yeah, hasn't looked back since. Microsoft is up a bunch too, yeah, almost 80%, yeah. All right, yeah, let's see what we get here today. Tesla and SPCE main watches, ACMR is a secondary watch, and I don't think I'm gonna watch much else out of the gate. ACMR looks like it's maybe gapping down. Yeah, it's gapping down. God damn it, that sucks. Yeah, Tesla so far, very strong candle here. Great to see. Put a sell order on Tesla, opening range lows, see if we can. I also shorted some SPCE. Okay, I got filled on Tesla. So I'm short 3,700 shares total now. And also SPCE, let's see. Unfortunate with this gap down. Did I get filled on? Yeah, I got filled on 20,000 shares on SPCE. SPC. God damn it, I missed an ass spot. Oh, okay. Let's see if we can get some pops. I'm really in like only a third or quarter size of that thing. GSX. Oh, let's see. Okay, GSX, I'm gonna cover some. Or I'll start covering slowly. Also gonna lower my stop a little bit. Yeah, Beyond Meat is taking a dump here too. Too bad it didn't have one more update. So Tesla took out, it's actually trying to take out the pre-market lows. SPC bounced off this rising moving average on the 60-minute chart. Yeah, I don't see anything in pop stocks. I don't see it yet. ACMR, you know, I'll pass on it. It's way too thin. I would have preferred a strong open, so I'll just pass on it. Pass on. I'll focus on Tesla and SPC. What is this? Trans World Entertainment. Tilray is breaking lower. That's a leading wheat stock. I got stopped out of my ads on SPC. So a little bit stronger. Put in one more candle than I thought it would on this little bounce here. But I'll re-add. I'll re-add if it starts breaking below VWAP. like about SPC, it's very, very liquid. Tesla looks like it wants to bounce. It's probably gonna stop me out because it did reach, it didn't even touch this rising moving average. That's a sign of strength. Oh yeah, it's gonna stop me out. Wow. Or at least on the ads. Not on my core, but on my ads. Yep. Damn, SPC. I almost covered at this bounce top. Now I need to put some offers higher. I hope I get filled, otherwise it will be very annoying. Plug, I'm gonna size down some. I sized down a little bit yesterday, I'll size down even more today. Okay, good. Now it's bouncing, and I think there may be a potential setup later in the day, like it was on a few days ago or like last week sometime, where it gapped down, bounced, and then built a range for several hours, and then it had a big fade over the next 2 days. Like I added here late day, I had a $5 risk and it faded like 40, or not 40 bucks, but 30, maybe $35. So that's a good risk reward. So I think there may be a similar scenario setting up potentially, but I don't think there will be another trade until late day. ACMR having some follow through from the opening range lows, but too thin to trade, just so thin. Annoyingly thin. TSLA started to shape up. Yeah, so far, some stocks have handled this little gap down pretty well. Like the Mariana stocks look pretty decent. A lot of them. But I'm not sure, today, I'm not sure if today is gonna be the right day to buy them. I'm gonna be very cautious. My go-to stock is TSLA and maybe CGC. But yeah, mainly TSLA, I would say. GSX is it's strong. Put another stop here. Like if this thing closes over 35 bucks, I'm not gonna hold it overnight. Facebook about to go green. Yeah, Tesla obviously very strong. I have a golden average on it, so I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep those 2,000 shares I have from 585 or 585.43 actually. This Sava is still not breaking down. Pretty amazing that it's holding up this well, but the volume has dried up pretty big. Looks like I got filled on SPCE again. Oh, maybe I'll just get stopped out immediately. We'll see. I'm short 45,000 of this space SPC. We'll see what. Yeah. I don't know. I think there's no support on this thing until 16 bucks. Really, there's literally no support there. INO shrugged off the early weakness. Wait, is NNVC up 40% on the day? What the heck? Wow. That opening range highs, I guess. They didn't care about the offering. The offering was at $3. Yeah. Interesting. Now it's a patience game. I have some decent entries on SPC. Hopefully it doesn't stop me out. Unfortunate gap down, but it is what it is. It would have been so much better if it had opened up, you know, like opened green. That would have been so much better. Tilray went green. Yeah. A lot of stocks are shrugging off the early weakness. I'm gonna cut the stream a little bit earlier today, probably in like 10 minutes or so. Because I'm gonna I'm gonna test drive a Tesla Model X. No joke. I'm literally going to test drive a Tesla Model X. I will not mention that I'm short Tesla. I'll try not to mention it. Oh god. Oh, it's a little bit funny actually. I've always wanted to test drive a Tesla, but I've never done it. So I, you know, last week was it last week? Yeah, last week, you know, I went to a dealership and I booked the time with them, and yeah, we'll see how it is. Yeah, I wanna try the the performance models. Some crazy. Is it like what, 3 seconds or something? 0 to 60 or 0 to 100? Is it like 3 seconds? Oh, I almost. Oh, okay, dude. I'm fading just by those numbers. Yeah, that's disgusting. Holy shit. Better go to the bathroom before, I guess, right? Oh, 2.6? Are you kidding me? Oh. I'm not gonna test drive the performance Model X. I think it's one of the lower models, but still, it's probably gonna have great acceleration. Yeah, Volvo is great. I like the C90. Lexus, I don't know anything about Lexus, but the Volvo XC90 is really good. Great looking car. Alfa Romeo? Well, what is that? It's a very rare car, isn't it? Wait, what is that? I'm sorry. Giulia Quadrifoglio. What the fuck is that? I need to Google that. What is Giulia Quadri? How? What is that? Chiu. Okay, I'll just copy paste. Giulia Quadrifoglio. Is it like Italian? Alfa Romeo? It is probably. 505 horsepower, okay. Holy shit. Yeah, that one actually looks pretty good. It reminds me a little bit of a BMW in some of the angles. Okay, so Twix is about to take out the opening range lows. That's a good sign for the markets. It means the markets are strong. There may be an entry on Tesla. Like I'm not try. I'm gonna not try to not overtrade it, but maybe if it goes red later on the day, or some kind of a range break, or there may be no trade at all the rest of the day. But maybe if it goes red, there may be an ad spot. Like I got it stopped. I actually traded pre-market also. So I mean, I've taken some losses on Tesla this morning. I took 2 losses for, you know, over 20,000 so far. So that's a little bit annoying. But you know, I'm trying to look at the big picture. Like when the $100 fade comes, if it comes, I don't know. You know, I want to be there with some size, and there's gonna be a lot of money to be made. So. Some bottom. I wonder if they're pumping this because of the coronavirus. Well, I had a bunch of alerts. I'm gonna do some watch list cleaning. I caught up on 23rd December, so let's see. Had some gold stocks and silver stocks that broke out the 23rd of December. Mercado Libre had a little bit of a breakout that eventually failed. Sava, 23rd. Oh, Sava, that's when the big run began. When a director bought 423,000 shares in the open market, and the stock more than tripled on it in just a couple of weeks. Nice one. ICPT had a strong day. Like to see I had some news. MBOT had a big run that day. Okay, so nothing super I'm gonna do 24th of December also. Roku had a little bit of a try to break out of this little range here. Yeah, some more gold stocks. This code, oh KOD, I traded it that day. I bought it that day. Took a loss on it a few days later. Okay, nothing exciting. 24th of December. Boom. Do you long mostly biotechs? What do you think of JetBlue? JetBlue is an airliner. I don't get it. Do you long mostly biotechs? No, I try to avoid biotechs, but when the momentum is there, it's there. JetBlue. I mean, looking at the longer term chart, it looks. Let's look at the monthly chart. It looks pretty decent on the monthly chart. It's just starting to come out of a 5-year range. Not bad. I mean, there could be a longer term entry here. What are the other ones doing? AAL. Okay, AAL looks like shit. HA doesn't look anything special. UAL. What's the other? SWN, Southwestern. No. Wait. Love is the symbol. Love. This one is flagging pretty nicely. It's not starting to break out yet, but yeah, this JetBlue is starting to break out of a long multi-year range. Yeah, right now I happen to have some biotechs, some piece of shit, because that's where the MoMA has been the past few months, or among these. I don't have that many. I have 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's consider this being a biotech. Okay, 4. That's where a lot of money has been made past couple of months. Biotech has been the strongest sector together with the semiconductors past 2-3 months. So that's a natural byproduct. That's why I have a bunch of biotechs. Mostly piece of shit biotechs, but still biotechs. Oh, SBC, come on, I needed a win here. Oh shit, I'm gonna take like a $35,000 loss on it. Oh, it refuses to break down. This is why I hate when these overextended stocks gap down. They're just so shopping. Oh, that's annoying. That is annoying. GSX not as much, because GSX is still green for me, and I managed to cover some into the weakness. But SBC, I'm down, 35k on it. Maybe it's probably Oh. Yeah, I mean, there's 1850 maybe, some kind of a range here. I mean, right now it's just in the middle of a range. There's no edge here at all. Yeah, super annoying. Both Tesla and SPC. It would have been so much better if both of these had gapped up instead. That's yeah. super annoying. Maybe they will offer opportunities later in the day. Yeah, Baba. Okay, 30. Yeah, okay. With a. Yeah, okay, yeah. I'm out of SPC. Almost 40k loss on it. Super annoying. Super annoying. And looks like it's about to go green. Heck, I want this thing to go on another round. Go to like 25 or something. That would be great. Wow, look at how strong it is. Almost green. Super strong. Oh, so between Tesla and SPCE, I'm down over 60k. I'm down over 60k today. That's super annoying. That is super annoying. Oh, okay, APT. I bought some APT. I have to be long at least one of these virus stocks. I didn't buy any crazy amount, but let's see what's man, I'm so annoyed this APT and Lake stopped me out the other day. Yesterday, that is. And INO is the most annoying of all of them. So choppy. I haven't been able to catch any clean moves lately. Unfortunately. Oh shit, I have to cut the stream. I need to eat and then I'll have to go. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you tomorrow.